By the end of this video, you will know how to transfer money from Wise to a bank account. Start by logging in to your Wise account. After you sign in, you will arrive at the main account area where your balances, activity, and transfer options are available. From here, move to the left sidebar and click Recipients. This is where Wise stores the people and accounts you can send money to. Once the Recipients page opens, click Add to create a new recipient. Wise will then ask how you want to save the recipient details. Choose Bank Details to continue since the destination for this transfer is a bank account. Next, select who you are sending the money to. You may see options such as myself or someone else. Choose the one that matches your transfer. This choice helps Wise set up the recipient correctly, so make sure you pick the right option before moving forward. After that, enter the recipient's bank account information. This includes the account holder's name, the bank name, and the account number. Fill in each field carefully and check for typing errors before you continue, since even one incorrect digit can send the payment to the wrong place or delay the transfer. When everything is entered, click Continue to save the recipient. With the recipient saved, return to the WISE dashboard. From the dashboard, click Send to begin the transfer itself. WISE will ask who you want to send the money to, and you should now see the bank account recipient you just added. Select that recipient to move ahead. On the transfer screen, enter the amount you want to send. After you type in the amount, take a moment to review the transfer details on screen. Make sure the selected recipient is correct, the amount is what you intend to send, and the destination is the bank account you just set up. If everything looks right, click Confirm to complete the payment. Once the transfer is confirmed, Wise will begin processing it. At this stage, there is nothing else you need to enter. You just need to wait while Wise processes the transfer and sends the funds to the selected bank account. Processing times can vary depending on the currency, the destination bank, and the transfer method, so the payment may not arrive instantly. If you want to check progress after confirming, you can look in your Wise account activity or transfer status area, where the payment will usually show as processing until it has been sent through. The key part is that the transfer has already been submitted, and Wise is handling the rest based on the details you entered. The money transfer from Wise to the selected bank account is now set up and processing.